I forgot to mention.
Alright, so obviously you need return lines off your turbo. So we have these being engineered to fit on to the valve covers. That's the way she's gonna go. You finally got the elbow we need. We're gonna have to trim this back a little bit to be able to put in a pipe there, attach another coupler there to be able to finish this off, and we're gonna actually put the bumper and lights back in because the whole front end will be done after that. You can see Jesse has ran the feed lines to each turbo. Right now, when I was talking about to run to the valve covers, there's the drain, and it's gonna go into the valve covers, as you can see right here. That sweet ass Brian Tooley stuff. Make sure if you get a Brian Tooley cam, you get the whole cam kit.
All you get is static. The right intention.
Next step, step drill.
I forgot to mention.
Jiminy Cricket, there's a hole in the valve cover. A little bit of fine tuning. So the bung is all in there now. Whoop whoop. Bung in the bung. So, you can see down there, that's where the feed line, return line is going to be. This is the hose we're going to use. Jesse's doing the driver's side right now. Getting that all put in there. And then we'll be able to run them. That is for the harness.
Okay, that's good. Carburetor on it, don't worry about it. Big toilet bowl.
Get out. Carburate this. Alright. Getting the intake back on. Jesse's working with some injector wires. Are you trying to grab an injector wire? Jesse's playing with the harness here. While he's doing that, try and get some of these intake bolts back on. And put the throttle body back on, get this tube back, or intake piping back on the throttle body. Okay, so we've got the intake pipe on, we got the throttle body back on, we've got the intake manifold on. The wiring harness is nicely tucked underneath the throttle body and intake manifold. Let's check it out. Look at that.
Just look at it, would you?
Would you just look at it there, Sally?
Would you just look at it? Just look at it, would you?
As you can see, that little
Would you
hole,
just look
which you
at it?
won't even notice, but you
Just
didn't
look
notice
at
it.
it, would you?
So the whole harness goes through there. Looking hella good. Except this rat nest shit over here. ABS pump, plan to go. Obviously you need brake booster, so that has to stay there. But throttle body cable, gone. Don't need that anymore. As that is an electronic throttle body. Woohoo! If you are doing an LS swap yourself and you don't know how to make a harness or you're needing a harness, shoot me a message or comment below and we'll get in touch, and Jesse here can sell you a custom made harness. I'm going to show you my harness. You're not actually even able to see it as it sits under the intake manifold, which is really nice and really clean. So if you're looking for a harness for an LS, shoot me a message and I'll get you in touch and we can sell you one here that will be right for your Ford Ranger. So let's take a look. So you see back here all the injector wires are here. Over there is to hide my coils, but you don't need to do that if you're not running aftermarket coil or valve covers. You'll be able to run them and they'll just sit properly right there. You won't have to do anything to them. To be able to hide the coil packs, we've had to hide a lot of wires, and we're MacGyvering a way to be able to actually make this look good with all the wires still tucked. So here's my driver's side where we've kind of thought of a spot to put it. You know, all the wiring harness from the stock wiring harness, we've had to move everything up there. This is where the ABS used to be. It's right here, but we're going to be removing ABS eventually, so we figured we might as well build it to without ABS. And Jesse's down here. He's creating that JLS custom stuff. So you can see down here all our wires. We've had to run it from over here, run it through. No extension needed. We just had to take off the harness and move it, so that way this can come down here and reach here, and we'll be able to move and MacGyver it around here, keep it a little safe distance from the exhaust and everything else. And then on this side, obviously there's a lot more room to be able to put the coil packs and not have to play around too much. So I wish we could hide everything like the fuse box and all that brake booster and stuff. We could hide that, but unfortunately that's not the way automobiles go, and we're gonna keep plugging away here. Jesse's gonna do his thing. You wanna talk about JLS Custom? That's JLS Custom right there. Four coil packs. And the same size of 2.
Sweet. Just gonna fucking weld the washer on there. We'll mount it right on that fucking stud there. Bob's your uncle.
That's a pretty nice little spot. So the brake booster here, there's that little nut or stud here. We're gonna have it sit right in here, right under there. It's gonna look really nice and clean. It's gonna look beautiful. Okay, we made huge progress today. I can't speak. Progress. He's gonna run away. But that's the end of this day. Hope everyone liked the video. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel. Comment below if you liked anything or you want to say anything about the truck. But it's getting nearer and closer to being done. So huge shout out to JLS. Let's get it, and I'll see you all next video.